To succeed in your mission, you must have single minded devotion to your goal. With that inspirational quote, welcome again in your online chemistry class. This is Mr. Naresh Kumar calling from Balsadna School Todi, Guddhagurji. In previous class, we have discussed about elimination reaction which are completed in presence of alcoholic base. In elimination reaction, we have also discussed about Shatjeff rule. I repeat, according to Shatjeff rule, if there is possibility of formation of more than one alkene in elimination reaction, then that alkene will be preferred which contain more number of alkyl groups because such alkene is most stable. In this online class, first of all, we discuss about homework question. So, homework question was, give the chemical reaction when 2-bromobutane reacts with aqueous KOH and alcoholic KOH. Indicate the type of each reactions. So, solution will be it is 2-bromobutane. When 2-bromobutane is treated with aqueous KOH after nucleophilic substitution reaction, butane to all is formed. So, it is butane to all and it is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now next, second part of this question, when 2-bromobutane is treated with alcoholic KOH after elimination reaction, alkene is formed. Here 2-bromobutane, when 2-bromobutane is treated with alcoholic KOH, then two type of alkenes are formed. So, first is but2-in and another one is but1-in. It is major product of the reaction and it is the minor product, or we can say that but2-in is a Shatjeff product of this reaction and but1-in is the Hofmann product of this reaction. I hope your answer will be right. Now next homework question was, identify A and B in the following reaction. It is methyl chloride. When methyl chloride is treated with A, then methyl isocyanide is formed, and methyl isocyanide is treated with B, then 2-degree amine or dimethylamine is formed. So, solution is here A is AgCl. We have discussed in previous online classes, when alkyl halide is treated with AgCl, then corresponding isocyanide is formed. So, A is AgCl here and B is a reducing agent. For example, sodium plus ethanol. After reduction of methyl isocyanide, then 2-degree amine or dimethylamine is formed. So I hope your answer will be right. Now next homework question. Question was, arrange the following halogen derivatives in increasing order of action reaction. So solution will be increasing order chlorobenzene, alkyl chloride and benzyl chloride. Or in ring benzyl chloride. I hope your answer will be right. Now next, in this class we discuss about reaction with metals of haloalkane. Now next, reaction with lithium. From previous class we have discussed about reaction of haloalkane with sodium metal. So now next, reaction with lithium. When haloalkane is treated with lithium in the presence of ether, then alkyl lithium, which is organometallic compound, is formed. For example, it is ethyl bromide and it is lithium metal. When ethyl bromide is treated with lithium in presence of ether, then ethyl lithium is formed here and byproduct is lithium bromide. So lithium atom will be 2 in this reaction. Now next, third reaction, reaction with zinc. When alkyl halide is treated with zinc, then dialkyl zinc is obtained, which is known as Falkland reagent. Very important. So for example, it is ethyl bromide molecule and it is zinc atom. Here 2 alkyl halide molecules are participate. I repeat, when alkyl halide is treated with zinc in presence of ether, then dialkyl zinc is formed, which is known as Falkland reagent. So here diethyl zinc is formed, which is known as Falkland reagent. Now next, fourth type reaction, reaction with magnesium. Very important. Haloalkane reacts with magnesium metal in dry ether, then alkyl magnesium halide is formed, which is known as Grignard reagent. So it is alkyl halide molecule and it is magnesium. When alkyl halide is treated with magnesium in presence of dry ether, then alkyl magnesium halide is formed, which is known as Grignard reagent. Very important. For example, when ethyl bromide is treated with magnesium in presence of dry ether, then methyl magnesium iodide is formed, which is known as Grignard reagent. Its chemical name is methyl magnesium iodide. Grignard reagent is a very useful reagent. It is used in synthesis of different organic compound like carbonyl compound, carboxylic acid, alkane, etc. So, very important reaction. Now next, fifth type reaction, fifth example, reaction with very important reaction with lead sodium alloy. When alkyl halide reacts with sodium lead alloy, then tetraethyl lead or tetramethyl lead is formed, which is used as anti-knocking agent. So, for example, it is ethyl bromide and it is sodium Pb alloy. When ethyl bromide is treated with sodium lead alloy, then tetraethyl lead in short form TEL is formed, and byproduct is sodium bromide and 3Pb molecule. When methyl bromide is used in this reaction, then tetramethyl lead is formed. TEL and TML are used as anti-knocking agent. Now, fourth type reactions of haloalkane, that is reduction reaction. Reduction of haloalkane gives alkane, very important. So, it is haloalkane. After reduction of haloalkane, in presence of reducing agent such as zinc HCl mixture, sodium plus ethanol, lithium aluminum hydride, or Rad plus Hn, then alkane is formed. So it is alkane. Now, caution for homework. Caution: which metal gives Grignard reagent with ethyl bromide? Important caution, I repeat, which metal gives Grignard reagent with ethyl bromide? Now next question for homework, very important question. Identify X and Y in the following reaction. It is ethyl bromide. When ethyl bromide is treated, this question have complete in our previous class. Now next question for homework. We have already discussed about that question in our previous class. So next question for homework. Write chemical equation for synthesis of toluene. Very important. Write chemical equation for synthesis of toluene from benzene. Toluene from benzene. And write the name of reaction. Very important. Now next, third type of compound. Next point is dihalogen derivatives. Important point: when two hydrogen atoms of a saturated hydrocarbon are removed from two halogen atoms. I repeat, when two hydrogen atoms of a saturated hydrocarbon are removed by two halogen atoms, then obtained compound is known as dihalogen derivatives. These are of three types. First is geminal or gem dihalide. Geminal or gem dihalide. The dihalogen derivatives having two same type of halogen atoms on the same carbon atom in a compound are known as gem dihalide. Its common name and IUPAC name is alkylidin halide and number with position number dihaloalkane respectively. For example, CH3CH Its common name is ethylidin chloride. Here two hydrogen atoms are removed from one carbon, so it is ethylidin group, bivalent group, and its IUPAC name is 1,2. So IUPAC name is 1,1-dichloroethane. 1,1-dichloroethane. So geminal dihalide, the dihalogen derivatives having same type of halogen atom on the same carbon are known as gem dihalide. Second type of dihalogen derivatives are vicinal dihalide. The halogen derivatives having the two similar halogen atoms on adjacent carbon atoms are known as vicinal dihalide. For example, CH2, and both carbon atoms have two chlorine atom, so it is vicinal dihalide. Its common name is ethylene chloride. And IUPAC name is 1,2 with position of halogen atom in this compound. So IUPAC name of this compound is 1,2-dichloroethane. Now next, third type of halogen derivatives compound is alpha mega dihalide or polymethylene halide. When two halogen atoms attached to the ends of unbranched carbon chain, very important, unbranched carbon chain, then they are known as polymethylene halide. For example, CH2. Here two halogen atoms are present on ends carbon atom, so it is polymethylene halide. Its common name is alpha omega dichloropropane and IUPAC name is 1,3-dichloropropane. Now we take a question for homework. Two questions for homework. First question is write down the possible structures of dihalide derivatives of propane. Very important homework question. I repeat, Write down the possible structures of dihaloderivatives of propane. Another question for homework. Arrange the following compounds in increasing order of boiling point. Very important question. Arrange the following compounds in increasing order of boiling point. Compounds are ethyl bromide, ethyl chloride, and ethyl iodide. In RBC 2016 board paper. Very important question. I hope you liked this video. Please do share this video in your friends. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.